Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must have the developer console enabled and a key bound. Once done, launch CS2 into an offline match with bots. Type the console key and keep it open. You will run the only reliable method here. First, load the map and wait for players and bots to spawn. Then, you will enter the command sequence that permanently controls bot difficulty for the session. This step moves you from setup into action, so keep the console visible and ready. You will use the bot difficulty command to change how bots behave. Type bot difficulty space then a number from 0 to 3, where 0 is easiest and 3 is expert. Once entered, the change applies immediately for the current server session, so test by observing bot aim and decision-making. If you need to replace bots, use bot kick and bot add after setting difficulty, because newly added bots inherit the value. Make sure SV cheats remains off. To finish, verify the setting by watching a few rounds or run status checks. Bots should show changed aim and tactics soon after. If the command appears ignored, restart the map and re-enter bot difficulty once the map fully loads, because some map scripts overwrite settings on load. If you still see no change, make sure you are the server host or have Archon permissions. Without proper rights, the console commands won't affect server-controlled bots. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.